Today we are going to discuss about the inner join. You know very well that how join works because we have discussed the joins in our previous lectures. So the inner join keyword select records that have matching values in both table. For suppose, as you know, you have the 8 student ID 8 and 9 available in the subjects table, and now select static from students. You know very well that you have the 8 and 9 ID in the students table. So inner join works when you have the matching values in two different tables. How? Before doing this, I'm just showing you that if I say that select static, you know very well about it. Now if I'm saying select students dot sid from students, control enter. So now as you can see, it's working. Whenever you use the table's name with dot and the column name, it's the same thing like this. You are saying okay, fine, as you know it's working fine, it's also working fine, because I'm going to use this pattern to getting the results from two different tables by using the inner join. Now I'm saying that select, I'm saying students dot sid, I'm going to get the sid column from the students table. Now I'm saying students dot sname, make sure I'm saying that I'm going to get these two columns, sid and sname. Now I'm again saying that subjects dot sname, that means I'm saying from the subject column we have a subject name, and now I'm saying the subjects dot sid, that means I'm saying, just a second, okay, it's a subject name. Now I'm saying that from students, now I have to use the join here. I'm saying inner join, you can also use the small letters, it's totally dependent upon you, where I'm saying that subjects dot, I'm going to join the tables, the student table with subject, so that's why I'm using the subjects table here. Now I'm saying the students dot sid equals to subjects dot student id. Now control enter, execute query. So now as you can see, it's showing you the 4 columns from two different tables. How? As you can see, it's saying you the sid, this is the student id, this is the s name. Okay, I'm going to use the as alias so you can easily understand how it's working, because we have the same name for the both two tables. I'm saying student id, here I'm saying student name, here I'm saying subject name. Now here I'm saying subject id as subject id, control enter to execute the queries. Now as you can see, it's showing you the results. The student id is 8, the student id is 9, he is the John and Alex, and they are enrolled in PHP, and the subject id is 1 2. You know very well that we have 2 records in the students tables, in the subject table, static from subjects, it's student, I'm saying subjects. So as you can see, we have 2 records, and here in the id fields you have 8 and 9 id. Just take a look at students. You have 8 and 9 ID for the John and Alex. Now this is your query. You are getting the results from two different columns by using the inner join. So this is the inner join. Now this is the conditions. So inner join always works when they match the values in both table. Means inner join, when the match results found, then your inner join works, because it's fetching you the two results, because two results available, two IDs available in the subjects table, so that's why it's getting the result. So in this way your inner join works. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.